What up, guys? It's Casey Neistat here. Welcome to the airport. What up? We're stuck in the airport for a really long time. Oh, I just met a fan. Hi, nice to meet you. Yeah, I'm just traveling. It's like weird, man. We're stuck in the airport for so long.
Give me a picture. Golden hour.
I'm gonna.
It's golden hour. Golden hour. Take me a picture right here.
Since we're in the airport for so long, I'm gonna review this airport. This is my very first airport review.
Did I cut right there? Or?
Yeah, cut.
Wait. Focus.
It's whatever. Anyways, so we're here in Baltimore at the airport. I know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking. What a large airport, right?
Huh?
What's in Baltimore?
Oh, jeez.
Well, I'll tell you.
You have to like change the
Michigan.
Michigan's not even close to here.
Baltimore, Michigan is where your dreams can come true. Number one, it's got that thing. Number two, ever seen an escalator before? Baltimore has them. Number four, ever seen a person go up an escalator? I thought so. Number five, this thing. Baltimore has it all. You know what Baltimore doesn't have that we all wish it does? Some Dunkin' Donuts in this airport.
It's not even focused, right?
Okay, hey guys, well, I'll include this in the vlog. Oh wow, this is a lot of people. We're talking to you. Hey. All these people want to be in the video. So, yeah, great. Say whatever you want. Yeah.
Thank you for having us. We're playing in Texas for the national championship.
Whoa, that's so cool. Yeah. That's cool. Okay guys, it's, oh my god, I'm running out of space on the camera. Wait, hold on, I have to delete stuff. But like, get a shot like, with the trash. Never mind. Are you recording all of that? I'm embarrassed. I'm really embarrassed. Are you recording right now? Can you hear me? Is the audio good? What's up, guys? We are back. Come on, walk with me. So right now, and we're gonna follow this track.
I can basically hear everything.
What?
I can basically hear everything. It's really loud.
Really? Right here, sis. It's back.
It's like The Office.
This is
so cool.
Zoom into me. Inez. So, why are you so close to my face? We've been stuck in the airport for quite a while now. We're gonna show you, basic airport stuff. We're here, as I said, Baltimore, Minnesota. Is that stairs? That looks like stairs, but unfortunately it's not stairs. I don't know. It's good enough. Okay, so these are all the restaurants. Apparently, I think there might be more. I saw someone with a Dunkin' Donuts cup, but I personally did not see the Dunkin' Donuts, so I was a bit offended. Oh, that's what that means by getting your wings. There's Pinkberry right there. I mean, I don't have a watch on, and I never know how to tell time, so I honestly don't know when our flight's taking off. I would say let's look inside that, but I'm really scared of getting kicked out. Let's look inside this place. On-site news. Okay. I actually do need a new phone. Never mind. How long is this? 10 feet. It's $30.
You're not giving much content.
Hey, they have chocolate milk. What content do you expect me to give, Inez?
You know something fun and interesting?
We're in an airport. What do you think?
What's my phone ringing?
This is like that follow me around like stores type of content. No one watches it, but I still make it. All right, now we're going down the escalator one last time.
1 second. Hello?
Are you on a phone
Hello?
call? We're in Minnesota. I'm going backwards on the escalator, which is super dangerous, dudes. Totally don't do it. But watch as I jump. Crazy. All right, dudes. Thanks for watching and tuning into this video. Bye. Hey guys! Don't know if it's in focus, so we're just gonna do this the whole time. Unfortunately, I am discovering, I don't know how to. I am discovering that our flight, what time? Focus it. What time? 11:10 apparently is the time.
Serve as a gate change announcement if you're going to Dallas on 30.
Excuse me.
Again, if you're going to Dallas, your new gate is gate A4, Alpha 4. Sorry about the inconvenience.
Oh my god, do they live here?
What? At 3 p.m. in the morning, 3 a.m. in the morning or something. We film a room. Alright, so you're recording?
You are in the right place. If you're going to
I know,
Dallas,
somewhere,
or Houston, we have some gate changes for those
Gate
flights.
changes.
Dallas
That's what we're
out of
talking about
A4
today.
to Sunny York out of A9.
Oh, hold on. I think kids do this. Wait. There's others.
And I'm gonna leave because
I said out of A9.
they're gonna think she's related to me.
For this 1225.
When it gets here.
Inez, are you
It
still
does look
recording?
Any other families with children under the age of 6? Welcome aboard.
Talking to herself.
This flight. Oh wait,
It's
hasn't
freezing
been
in here.
at 11:30. That's a very long time. I bought this water. Bought 2 of them, like $6.
And they weren't Ryan Trahan type bottles, right?
Inez, what if he watches my videos? How do those kids always do that eyelid thing where they flip their eyelids?
I don't know. I don't want to know. It's always disgusting.
I'm gonna take my contacts out
So,
of my
am I
glasses.
done with this video or what?
Yeah, turn it off.
Got delayed again.
Hey guys, I'm in my glasses now because, you know, my eyes are getting dry. I'm getting tired. I've been up for a long time. 24 hours in an airport. Not an actual 24 hours. I also left my water bottle over there because I'm like, oh, we're about to board. Guess what? We're not. We changed gates again, so just gotta roll with it, Someone coming by. I work tomorrow. Like, I have to, I have stuff to do. I can't. Wow. Review. And for this to be Southwest, I can't even be promoted to first class, even though I am famous. The shade of it all.
No change. Are you recording? Well, what were you even doing? You're taking video?
I was recording.
My eyeball?
What's up, my fans? I think we're finally about to board this plane. Is that it for now? I'm signing off just in case it is. XOXO. Gossip Girl! Okay, so here's the situation. It's currently...
How are they supposed to hear you?
There's a
I don't
microphone.
know if it's focused. Yeah, but that doesn't mean they can hear you.
It's 12:02. This plane originally was scheduled for 9:30. Oh my god, my camera's about to die. I have to sign off.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, it has been opening been on the front row. Nothing on your lap, nothing on that floor if you're on the front row. Everything has to go up top.
Trying to get a thumbnail.
Cups.
Oh, this
And you
is
bring your
hair
seat back some straight view. Nothing under your feet, behind your legs, or on your laps. Thank you.
There's the time, you know. Waiting for our luggy. Yeah. Yeah, dude. Yes, I'm tired, man. Bye.